Does your trusty Dyson V11 suddenly have the stamina of a sleepy sloth? You charge it fully, but it dies halfway through the living room? Yep, we hear you. This frustratingly short runtime is a super common headache for V11 owners. That faulty battery isn't just killing your cleaning time. It could be a ticking time bomb. You think, I'll just charge it more often. But pushing a dying lithium-ion battery can lead to overheating, swelling, leaking, and yes, even igniting. Imagine leaving it on the charger overnight, only to wake up to a potential fire risk. It sounds extreme, but it's a known hazard with failing batteries. That faulty battery in your Dyson V11 is already under stress. Now throw in layers of hidden dust, tangled hair, and grime clogging up the filters and motor. It's chaos in there. Only a proper deep cleaning service can fix that mess. This forces the vacuum to work harder. The result? Extreme overheating. This can permanently damage the expensive digital motor, leading to costly Dyson repair bills that'll make your head spin. That hidden dirt isn't just gross, it's destructive. So your powerful Dyson V11 is feeling less power and more problematic? You've tried the basics, but it's just not cutting it. Stop the guesswork. Here at RoboCare, Dyson Repair is our specialty. We handle expert Dyson V11 battery replacements and provide the essential deep cleaning service to clear out that hidden gunk safely. Prevent costly damage and keep your Dyson performing powerfully and safely. We don't just guess. We use diagnostic tools to confirm battery health and specialized equipment to perform a meticulous, deep cleaning service. We'll pinpoint the exact issues, replace that faulty battery with a genuine component, and clear out that performance-killing internal grime. Now, let's see the results. Boom! After a quick, expert battery replacement by RoboCare, this Dyson V11 is back to its peak performance. Full power, full runtime. And look at the difference. After RoboCare's deep cleaning service, this Dyson V11 has its incredible suction back. As soon as the vacuum cleaner was returned, our customer was thrilled about how well it worked and how stress-free it was to clean with it. Ready for reliable power? Contact RoboCare today for all your Dyson repair needs.